Hello everybody, today we are at Park Place Office Center at 7445 Allen Road in Allen Park, Michigan. We have an Impulse. See, this is the office building. It's a nice two-story office building off of Allen Road. Now let's take a ride on the elevator. It's a Dover. Holeless hydraulic. There's the hydraulic ramp. All right, let's go up to 2. Two. It's a very 80s style office building. Going up?
Whoop, I am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thanks, honey. You too.
Thank you. There we go. There's the phone. Let's see if this even closes all the way. It does. For some reason I didn't think it did. And the indicator flips a lot like a shimmer, which is strange. It's a basic 80s Dover elevator. First generation Impulse fixtures. Very nice. Door close works after a certain period of time. The bumper doesn't even work. Let's see if door close works now. Push a 4 and it closes. Yeah, look at that. The bumper doesn't work. Let's get that on video one more time. All right, that'll be it.